Hello and welcome to another video. I know these videos at the moment are very few and far between. I will be trying to get back on track soon, but I'll do a short video about that soon. But today we are unboxing the latest Scrawlrbox, which somehow I have two of. So I'm going to unbox one of them. They both say the same thing on them, and I'm going to contact Scrawlrbox and see what I can do with the spare one, depending on what's right. So let's get unboxing this before it gets too hot in this studio and I melt away, as we are in a heat wave in the UK. So Scrawlrbox, in case you don't know, is a monthly subscription box. This arrived yesterday with me, and I'm just getting around to filming it when it's a little bit cooler. Mystery art supplies come through once a month. No idea what's in the box at all. Has a featured artist and a challenge to do with the supplies, which I will do in a separate video when I catch up. I've still got two challenges outstanding and one that I filmed and needs to be put up for you lot to see. So let's get started and see what we've got this month to play with. So I can't even remember which box this is now. I'm feeling 118 or 119. But we shall see. 119, there we go. So let's take these bits out of the box. Put this 119. This is our Scrawlrbox. We will have a look at that in a minute. This looks like it might be paint that we have. This is our featured artist artwork. Jediah Door. I apologise for my pronunciation. A New York City artist and part-time illustration. Parsons New School. He specialises in reportage art, and that is all his information there. So Instagram, website and workshops. We have watercolour paper. We have the hot press watercolour paper, so it's a bit smoother. I have got water here in case we needed it. So let's see what our supplies are. Ooh, good sweet. A Wham original with sour crystals. So we've got a water brush. I won't be filling this up to test it out. It's one of these push things, a bit grubby. But never mind. We've got a Uniball pin fine liner, which is apparently water and fade proof, but I've seen them fade water not worked particularly well. And we've got our sticker, and this is the main event, I think. And apparently it's Derwent special colour selection. I'm thinking it might be Inktense pencils. I need something sharp to open this up. Liner. Why won't you open? There we go. Ooh, maybe it's not. Oh, it's Inktense blocks. Ooh, there. So we've got 6 colours. I can't remember what colours they are. It's only got numbers on these. But they're a nice little selection. And we will have a look when we swatch them out at what they are colour-wise. Okay, so let's have a look in the Scrawlrbox before we swatch. We have information about the art supplies. We've got a QR code to go into more detail. Got a sit down with featured artist. That is really cool. So there's a lot of space stuff. All about swatching things out. So you can swatch them both wet and dry. So we will do that first. Mixing, deep dive. That's quite cool. Making a galaxy picture. So something to try out maybe. artist advice and how they went about their picture. I'm guessing it's going to be like a spacey type challenge, which is quite good. Scrawlrbox 117. I love this box. I haven't filmed the video for it yet, but I'm really looking forward to it. There's some really nice pictures here. Yeah. And the top 3, gorgeous. Always will say, join the Scrawler community on Facebook if you can. It's always really good. Don't have to be a subscriber. Right, Scrawler's Showcase. So it's looking at a long-time Scrawler. This time it's called Carmel Estelle. Then we've got Scrawler Extra, Orbiting the Imagination, and our challenge is to infinity and beyond. So yes, a spacey type thing. So let's have a swatch of our materials. So I'm going to do what they said and swatch them both dry and then wet to see what we've got. So yeah, feels weird. It's got a weird kind of texture to it. I'm going to do 2 little blocks. One I'm going to wet. It is a weird, yeah, it's definitely a weird texture. I'm surprised we haven't got some kind of white if we're doing space. Not right. That's a nice blue. Some nice colours. Not necessarily what I would have thought for space. That's quite a chunky brush as well. I may have to adapt when I'm doing the Scrawler challenge, because these things for me, that brush is huge. Alright, let's see what happens when we wet this. Obviously you can just take the water, take it straight off the block as well. That's the one problem with water brushes, they stain really easily. And it's just falling apart actually. Right, I just need a bit of zero. Yeah, there's another colour in this already. It's not. Alright, let's try this one now. I mean, the colours are rich, it's intense, it's gonna be. It's not like a black, there's almost like a purple in this one. Makes me kind of think Payne's grey more than black. That blue pigment. Obviously you're going to get richer, you can put more pigment down and get richer colours. And like I said, you can go straight off the block as well. Kind of like a pan set of watercolours. So I mean, it's a nice little collection of colours. Still feels a bit weird for a space thing, maybe. Maybe that's just me. Okay, so you've got the fine line, so it's a 0.5, which is quite nice. I like the paper, I like the ink pens. This is not my favourite by any stretch of the imagination. It's just too chunky. There's no way of kind of just getting a small line with it. It's just too soft and too chunky. But we shall see what happens. So that is the end of the unboxing for now. Obviously I will have to come back and do the scroll challenge in a separate video. I will try and get the other scroll challenges done as well. Now it's starting to cool down a bit. I need to catch up. So we will see what happens. But yeah, thank you for watching. That's gone really weird. I wonder if it's still got stuff on it from the other one. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you can. It really helps me out, and I am really grateful at the moment because I know things aren't as regular as they should be. But yeah, I will see you soon with another video. Goodbye.